Alrighty, tonight's project is going to be installing the Noco external plug. What this is, it's an external plug unit that will give us the ability to come up to the back side of the Alu Cabin and plug it into the house through an extension cord to charge the batteries. That way it's not using any other source but a true fast source. So we're going to install this in the back of the cabin, and then when you flip this open, you just plug it in and you're done. You cap it off, and it'll give us a chance to, if we have to park, you know, in an RV park or somewhere we can get access to electricity, that makes it a lot easier to fully recharge the batteries quickly. Now what we're going to need to do this project is a drill with a 2-inch bit cutter, a pin to mark the bolt holes, obviously the connector, and let's go mark on the Alu Cabin where we're going to put it at. Now in the back panel of the cabin, we have a lot of space right here in the bottom, so I think I'm going to cut a 2-inch hole, mount it right here in the lower left-hand corner. That way I can plug from here into the Red Arc Manager 30, and that will give us a direct line to it, and I can easily tuck it in and hide the cables with a wire loom. So let's go ahead and drill the hole. Now to make sure I do this correctly and leave plenty of room, I'm going to use this as a guide. This is the rubber grommet that seals it in, and this is obviously the cap that goes over it. So if I take this and hold it right here, I'll pull it up a little bit, should be able to mark where the screws go. And give us a little bit of mark here. Alrighty, let's tear some stuff up. A little nervous. Never drilled through such an expensive piece of equipment. But I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. And that's how it's done. These are self-tapping screws, so I'm going to let them self-tap. Okay, and that's how it's installed. It doesn't necessarily go completely straight. I never put anything straight, it seems like, but I'll be able to access to give shore power to the Manager 30. And just for good measure, because this is just a regular seal, I generally always put Sikaflex on things like this that are exposed to the outside. So I'll be lining the inside with Sikaflex, and I'll come back and put some Sikaflex across the top on the inside a little bit and screw it back down. That way it's just, you know, solid and sealed, no leakage at all. Okay, the final look. Okay, it's kind of hard to see back here, but you can kind of see how the Noco plug comes into the back of the Alu Cabin, and it's sealed. And then from there, it comes up. I've attached it here. This is the cable that connects directly to, goes down this line to the Manager 30. And that's what powers this unit here whenever we're not running the vehicle, or I'm going to install some solar panels here soon. When we're home, we just plug it into the garage. So that makes it nice and easy to keep the power going. And there'll be a full video on this whole power mess coming up soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. On to the next project.